Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Fantom has unfortunately become a bit of an unreliable one, even though it's now reached the target area. But remember that it never made 5 waves up, so we only really have 3 up, and I'm counting this as a larger A wave. It could find support in the B wave here before we rally once more in a C wave. Now the only reason why I consider that is because this advance was quite strong. And because a lot of the other coins, you can make a case that they formed 5 waves up. And it would be unlikely that a lot of other coins find support and rally while FTM will make a new low. Because of course, in a more bearish alternative, if this is an ABC structure, this could have been a wave 1 down, wave 2 up. We could now be coming down in a wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 here. And then it could all die down eventually. And well, not die down, but it might make a new low, okay? Below the December lows or November lows. This would be the bearish case. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. That's why this support area is only yellow and not green, which means a bit higher risk, okay? Nevertheless, we are now approaching here the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 35.35 cents. From here, we could expect a bounce. I would actually be surprised if we don't see any bounce. With bounce, I don't mean the low is in. That's what this story isn't written yet. Yeah, but you know, you can only analyze what you see, and the 61.8 retracement is a key level, 35.35 cents. It's also in line with the broader count that we've done a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and possibly here the 5th wave. Now, just because we have 5 waves complete, I mean, this is a micro count. You could also interpret that slightly differently. Important would be to see, do we hold the 61.8 retracement? If not, and we drop below that level, then the next support level will most likely be the lower boundary line of our orange corrective price channel. Depending on when it hits it, it might be around 30 cents. However, if we find support there and see a bounce, then a rally and a breakout above the yellow impulsive price channel here on the chart would indicate that a low is in. At least it would be a first indication. So that again, that depends on when it hits this one. It might be around, let's say, depending on if it hits it, let's say on this weekend. This coming weekend, it might be around 40 cents. And then we still have to break eventually out of the corrective price channel as well. And then if this works out, I mean, then we talk about targets of, yeah, $1 roughly, yeah, depending on, let me just calculate that. This is an ABC, so A wave up, B wave down, depending on how low we go. But yeah, we talk about the very first target is the 1-to-1 ratio, 84 cents. But the extended target, we talk about 115. So from that point of view, no change to the previous videos. Yeah, a low wasn't called out yet, and at the moment, as long as we are, especially as long as we are in the yellow price channel or below it, we have to give the downtrend further preference before we see a recovery, and then we need to watch for the signal. But a level to watch is certainly the 61.8 retracement. Again, below 27 cents, this setup is not going to work out, and I will then have to give the bearish count the preference. ABC to the upside, we've got it anyway, but then we talk about this. Yeah, then it will probably form an impulse to the downside and make a lower low, probably even below the November lows. Okay, that's my update about Fantom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.